Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris and today I've had a disastrous day of drone flying. Oh my god. I wanted to record this intro. I'm actually recording it after my drone flight because I had no idea how disastrous it was going to be until I actually took it out. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy. I'm on my lunch break. I only have 1 hour, but I thought if I can get out quickly I might be able to get a cheeky neo flight in. I've just arrived at the location I want to film at and it's massively flooded. Just a second, I'll show you. It's kind of crazy, I wasn't expecting this. So that's not a lake, that's actually a field. But there do seem to be some spots that I can stand at, so I should be alright. I don't really have any major plans for today's video. I think I'm just going to get the Neo out and do some flying in FPV. Just have some fun with it really. Let's just get into the sky, shall we? Okay, right, I think we are good to go. Okay, let's get out there, see what's going on. Well, yeah, this is flooded. I bet you're wondering why there's no drone footage in this video, aren't you? That's really hot. Let's skip forward a bit and find out what happened. Just turning to face the drone. I don't know if that helps actually. Nah, not really. Oh, look out. Jeez. Uh-oh. Oh, sugar. Oh no, I'm in a tree. Okay. It's stopped working, so let's... Can we get him to take off in the tree? He's taking off. Come on, mate. Get out of that tree. Just fall down, it doesn't matter. Okay, he's not taking... Oh. Right, okay. I'm going to have to go and try and get him out of this tree. No. Oh man, which tree is he in? I think I know where it is. That was stupid of me. I think it's in one of these trees over here. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get it down from a tree. Right, where is it? It's in one of these trees. Oh man, I can't see it at all. I can't start it. Okay, where are you? It's not along here. Where it is, I can't really make out where it is. It's kind of upside down, which does not help. Oh no. You know what I think I'm going to need to do is go into the other field. I cannot see it anywhere in these trees. It looks like it's quite high up a tree, I guess. It doesn't look that high. Okay, it might actually be, if I'm lucky, I think it might be on the other side of this field in a smaller tree. Okay, this is the field. Oh mate, it's really muddy. Right, I don't care, we're going in. We're going in. Oh, it's muddy. It's real muddy. I'm pretty sure it was on this side because I don't remember seeing any water below it. Can't see it there. This is the problem, it's a really small drone. So spotting it in trees is actually really difficult. Can't see it here. Alright, I've got a plan. I wonder if this will work. I'm going to put my headset on and I'm going to see if I can see my shadow walking past, because I think the camera's facing this way. It's definitely in one of these trees somewhere, because I just saw a van go past and I could see it through the camera. Okay, good news and bad news. Good news is I found it. The bad news is it's completely inaccessible. It's basically right at the back behind all of these trees. It's actually in this tree, which is submerged in water. I really want it back though, so I'm going to try to see if I can get up that tree a bit. I'm going to have to be really careful because it's above water as well, so if I knock it, it might end up going in the water. Oh god, at least this will make for an entertaining video, eh guys? Right. I just don't know how I'm going to get over there. I don't think these trees are particularly alive at the moment. Oh, this one's looking alright. Let's see if we can pull ourselves over here. This is like a really sharp, it's like a thorn tree as well. Oh Jesus. Okay, I'm technically in the tree. I'm getting this drone back. Don't care what anyone says. This tree seems fairly stable. So far, so good. Well, if anyone comes past me, they're going to think I'm insane. I think I am insane. Oh man, what was that just fell in? Was that the drone? Ah, it went in the water. Okay. How deep is this? Oh, it's pretty deep. Yeah, it's deep. It's knee deep. We've lost the drone. Oh my god. Alright. So despite my very, very best efforts, that drone is gone. Oh, it sucks. Luckily, I do have DJI's Care Refresh Pack, so that means I can order another one. I think get it quite quickly, fairly cheaply, which is great. Oh, I'm so gutted. You live and learn. Cut myself on the tree. I guess that's it, guys. I'll be back at some point with another drone, and I'll see you soon. I hope you're having a better day than me anyway. Alright, bye. Like and subscribe. Totally forgot, sorry. Thanks.